Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Firefox browser on Honor 400. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Firefox. Now click search and click install. Now you can click open and then click agree and continue, and now click cancel, and here you can add a Firefox widget, or you can click not now. Now you can click sign in, or you can click not now again, and here you can click turn notifications, or you can click not now. Now you can select your theme, or just click save and continue, and you can pick turbo placement, or you can click save and continue again. And as you can see, my Firefox browser is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.